Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Monopoly Go Airplane Mode Glitch. Does it still work for free dice? But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So you might be wondering if the airplane mode still or airplane mode glitch still work as of right now? Well, the thing with this one is to answer that directly. Well, yes, the airplane mode glitch still works. But the thing with airplane mode glitch is from the name itself, it's a glitch. So meaning the developers are actually looking for ways to permanently remove it from the game itself. So if you try abusing this glitch here, there is a possibility that your account may get limited or banned, so you may want to proceed with caution. Now, how do you exactly use this glitch here? Now, the glitch work here in a way where you use airplane mode here to predict what your rolls are going to be. Well, in this case, indirectly, you'll be able to optimize your dice rolls. So, first thing that you want to remember here is going to be where you're going to start. So, we are going to start in this position here, and you want to also remember your multiplier. Now, as you can see right now, I'm using the times 20 multiplier, so those are our current positions. Now, by the way, I would highly recommend you to connect or back up your account. So, connect it to a Facebook account, go to your managed account, connect it to a Facebook account, so that you don't lose any progress rate later on. But yeah, again, position and the multiplier. Now, what you need to do next is you want to go ahead and go to your settings here, go and enable airplane mode, and you want to go and just start rolling. Now, you want to do this as fast as you can. So I got a 10 and I got a 9. And as you can see right now, if you could still roll, so it actually highly varies. So sometimes you'll be able to roll like 5 more times until you get the no interconnection. But if you get the no interconnection here, well, this is where your run is going to end. Now the thing with this one is once you do receive this, now just to give you some idea, I got a 10 and a 9. So let's go exit this one. You want to go ahead and press and hold on Monopoly Go until this pop-up appears. You want to go and click on the eye icon next to the trash can icon here. Now you can also access this app info page by going to your settings, going to apps, and clicking or managing Monopoly Go. Now at the bottom right here, click on clear data, and you want to go and click on the option that says clear all cache and click on OK. Now before doing so, again, back up or connect your Monopoly Go account to a Facebook account so that you don't lose any progress. Let's go and click on OK. So once you've done that, you go and exit this page here. And once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go and just turn on or turn off airplane mode. So it will restore your interconnectivity. Now, you can go and just open up Monopoly Go again. And you just need to wait for a while here. Now, it's going to pretty much let you start from the very beginning here. So meaning you need to re-log in, set a few things in here in order for you to re-access your account. Now, in this case, this is not directly giving you free dice rolls. Instead, it's going to allow you to save up on those dice rolls and redetermine if you should change your multiplier if you don't get the optimal results before. But yeah, let's go and just add our age in here. Click on play with friends to access your account again. And once you have access to your account in here, you should be able to start again to the very starting or to our starting position. Now, in here, you might get some pop-ups. Again, you can go and just close them up and you should be able to re-access your account. Now, this might take a while, so let's just wait for a bit in here. And once it loads up to 100%, we should be good. Yeah, so let's go and just close all the pop-ups. Close this one and close this one. And as you can see, we are back from the very beginning. Now, like what I said, if you don't change your multiplier here and keep everything as is, you're pretty much going to get the same result. Now, give you again, just to look back, I got a 10 and a 9. So meaning if I don't change the multiplier, I should get another 10. Let's go and just click on go. And as you can see, we got a 10. Now, let's just say I don't want to get a 9 here. What do I need to do? Well, you just need to change your multiplier here and just click on go. And as you can see, we now got another 10 instead of a 9. So in a way, like if you got a bad roll, like a really bad roll here, well, changing the multiplier can help you a lot. Now, like what I said before, if you try abusing this specific glitch here, you may get a very specific pop-up, which is not ideal. Now, you may get this pop-up here that says limit warning. So, meaning if you try abusing the glitch, your account may get limited. So, meaning you won't be able to log in again after for 24 hours. So, you will not be able to access your account again. Especially if you're participating in an event, it's going to be really frustrating here. So, again, proceed with caution. If you really want to use it, it's up to you, but that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.